Hello there and welcome to this channel. In this video you will learn how to upload files to server. We are going to use React.js for the front end and ASP.NET Core Web API for the backend. Open Visual Studio, create a new project. Here React and ASP.NET Core, a full stack application with front end React project and backend ASP.NET Core project. Click on Next. It is best practice to provide always a good name for your project or for your solution. Upload file tutorial. Because it will create many new files, it is best to put it in a new folder. You can also change the location. Click on Next. Now the .NET Framework version. .NET 8 long-term support is OK. Configure for HTTPS. Enable Open API support. Enables Open API Swagger support. Swagger provides a user interface for testing your REST APIs. In my case, I don't need that. So do not use top-level statement, whether to generate an explicit program class and main method instead of top-level statements. I like to see it in a classic way, so I leave it checked. If you uncheck this, it will create all the files with top-level statement, which means that there will be no main method. So it abstracts the main method. Click on Create. A solution with the specified name already exists on disk in the specified location. Do you want to overwrite the existing solution with this new solution? Say no. Next, create. Save changes to the following items. Let us create here a controller for uploading files. Right click, add controller. We don't want MVC controller, but we want API controller. API controller with read and write actions. Upload file controller. Very nice. I personally prefer to open the React part in Visual Studio Code. So you can go to your project and then the client, open with code. Very nice. As probably you have noticed, this template is new with a new library. So if you are using an old template of React and ASP.NET Core, then it is a little bit different. This is the old one. This is the setup proxy. There is not so much difference between setup proxy and that config file. So the only thing that we need to change in that file is to add also our own path. As you see in the proxy, here you have weather forecast. We need to add the same thing for the upload file. So here copy this one, Control C, Control V, and also here API and upload file. Because our controller name is upload file, so we need to use this. Save it. Add some very basic stuff for your web page. Open here a form with no action, method post. Select file or files. A break line and then input type file, multiple, required, name. Let us also call it upload file. ID files. So the HTML4 has to match the ID. Another break and then here input type submit. Value upload. Save it. Let us see how it looks like. Start the app. This is how the user interface looks like for now. Select it file and then choose file and then upload. But we need to change this style a little bit. App.css, index.css, margin 0, padding 0, font family Verdana, and this one Arial, font size 16 pixels, background, this color, this. Very nice. Class name file uploader. Measure top and bottom, let us say 20 pixels, right and left 10 pixels. The point is not to create a very pretty website. The point is just to show you how to get your files uploaded in the server. It is always best practice to also show the errors or show the message when something goes wrong. So here we need to create a kind of paragraph. Why pray? Call it message. More left 20 pixels. Font style italic. So API upload file. We need only this one. Upload file. Control C. So upload file is the name of the controller, and this upload file is just a special text for a specified method inside your controller. It can be anything. We are just using upload file for example. So this name must be the same as here. Because we are going to upload multiple files, we use here list iForum file. So we want it to be also synchronous, public, async, task, iAction, result. Open here a try catch block. So for each var file in upload file, if file dot length is greater than 0, file path, we have here the path library, path dot get full path. Let us say that we want to upload the file in this location. So copy the location and then concatenate this with the name of the file. File dot file name. Let's call it stream, var stream, and then system.io, system.io dot file open dot file dot create, file dot copy to async stream. So this will copy the content of the file into the stream, which is the file located on the disk. String message, just a message or something for the client. So here when everything is okay, we send a success message, otherwise we send a failure message. So message is your file is uploaded successfully. In the catch block we just set the message to sorry something went wrong, please try again, and in both cases we return okay. You can also send the message from the exception, but sometimes the message in the exception contains some debug information which can be risky for your application's security. So the message is good for the developer but not for the user, because hackers or bad users also will access and use that to do stuff on the server. When you let your users to upload files, it comes with a lot of risks. I will write most of the risks in the description of this video, and you can read them to be aware of those risks and take care of them to make your application secure. So from the server side we are done. Control C. On submit we are going to use this one. Message element document dot message dot inner html data dot message. Data dot message is this message from this object. Method is post, and body is forum body. So event, first event dot prevent default, forum data, new forum data, from event dot target, which is the forum element. So the method is on this forum element, the target is also this forum element, the body is forum data. So console.log, we are also going to console log that data. So let's try it out. Start the application. Now let's select some file. Let us select this file, open. Now let us upload. Now it says your file is uploaded successfully. Here as well your file is uploaded successfully. Let us see, very nice. Now here is the file. So here you can control the extensions. You should not allow any file with any extensions. And also disable the execution policy in the folder where you upload the file. Let us put a break here that I show you some stuff. So refresh it. Select the file, this time this one. When you hover over this during the debugging, you can see the content of the object. Here you can see the content type, the file name, headers count, length, and the name. You can control the length of the file, allow only a file with maximum of a specified length, and then the file name, the content type, for example, images, what type of images, and also if you allow uploading video, and how long should it be, and the extension. I hope it was clear. That's it, guys. So as you see, it is very simple and easy to upload file in ASP.NET Core and React. In the next video, I will show you how to upload files in ASP.NET Core MVC, so without React, in native ways using Razor views or Razor pages. Thanks for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and being around. Have great times.